What's up guys, it's Zach here, owner of Webflow. Today I've got a Webflow tutorial. I'm going to be trying to create a playlist of more little Webflow hacks and things I've learned along the way. This Webflow tutorial, I'm going to be showing you guys how to do gradient headings and gradient text. Very easy, but a little hack. I didn't know. I had to go out there and research it. And so here we go. We can go right into it. I've got a new project open, and we're going to go ahead and put in a section. And then just throw in a heading. We make that nice and bold so everybody can see what's going on. Change the font. There we go. Then I'll center it too. All right, so here's our heading. And then, so we're going to be using that, but we're going to be inserting some custom code. So right away, we'll just take care of this first. We'll set the gradient to, I don't know, we'll do something kind of crazy so you guys can see it. Yeah, we'll go green. And yeah, look at that. All right, so we've got our gradient, and then we're going to actually insert some custom coding to make this go live and actually show the gradient in the text. So we're going to just put in an HTML embed anywhere on the page. You can hide this, or what I did, if you have gradient headers throughout your project, you can just put it in a symbol, so it's easy. This code is what you're going to insert into the HTML embedded section, and I will link this code below so you can grab it and put it in your project as well. So once that's in there, you'll see the .clipped CSS file. It's very important. And then we'll come over to the heading. And we're going to insert that CSS, so .clip. Well, you don't have to include the dot, just clip. And there we go. It's as easy as that. So you'll see the gradient heading there, and then again, you can hide that and put it in a symbol, the HTML embedded code. But any page that you have that code on and you use that CSS clip, it will clip the background of the actual heading or text that you have. So there you have it. Just a short, quick little Webflow tip for you guys today. And let me know if this was helpful, if you want more of this, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks, guys.